Graphic design is really about creating experiences and storytelling that connect with an audience, and when you connect with an audience, you're often looking for that creative magic that really builds that connection. That's what we try and do here in visual communication, is to boldly come up with new ideas that connect with those audiences.
I studied at ATA doing the visual communication course. It was really cool to meet new people, and especially the tutors who were they have a lot of contacts within the industry.
I loved how hands-on it was, just the creative freedom as well. Even though we did have restricted briefs, we could kind of push that as far as we wanted to.
So what's exciting about learning design at ARA is that you work together with groups of students to come up with solutions, design solutions at an industry level.
You get tutors that actually teach you a lot of life lessons, like anything can be beautiful, like even a pencil can be beautiful because someone made it. So it's just appreciating things that people have made, and it kind of like teaches you that.
They really wanted to understand my individual creativity too, and they were all really good with guiding me on a path.
If you're specifically focusing on graphic design, you can also integrate motion graphics in with it too, which is pretty cool.
I think we do lots of variety here, and it's a very hands-on course. You're not sitting behind a desk, you're not sitting writing all the time. You're learning something and then you go and you do it.
Last year, my tutor Carl, he actually brought a group of us down here to Artiki Creative. They do a lot of graphic design stuff, multimedia and toy Māori.
So I'm working as a graphic designer in-house at Mackenzie and Willis Interiors. I look after all of the internal and external collateral, make sure that the brand is projected to its best ability across all mediums.
I am a junior creative, working on campaigns, working on packaging design, branding designs.
We've all been very much involved in not just teaching, but actually working in different areas in our own specialisations. So we bring that back to the students and our own passion.
Well, I didn't even think to be studying graphic design or visual communications. I was very creatively driven and loved all of the arts and had a real passion for it. So seeing that growth is really, really cool, and I would highly recommend the course. It's awesome.